G'day everyone, my name is Matthew and welcome to howtoplaythesax.com. Just if you're worrying about the face and the makeup here, I am in Edinburgh and I'm just about to go on stage for a show we're setting up. We're about to do our version of That Bastard Brecht, Newark's Theatre. It's been great. There's about a gazillion people here in Edinburgh. I've never seen this many people, and we're walking up and down the Royal Mile. Yesterday we did a little bit of a flash mob where we were wearing our costumes, we were dressed up as Greek soldiers, but in this show it's called That Bastard Brecht, and I'm part of the band, and you can see people setting up behind me where we're getting ready to go on, and it's been fantastic. There's millions of shows and it's almost kind of overwhelming how many shows there are. We want to go and see, all of us here in this cast, we all want to go and see every show, but we can't, unfortunately. It's kind of almost overwhelm. So anyway, like I say, my name's Matthew, live from the Edinburgh Fringe Festival. I'll talk to you in another video at howtoplaythesax.com. Thank you.